With Russia sending whatever vehicle they got, the quality and capability varies a lot, but the overall quality is going down. With many vehicles leaving no protection for the crew, with Ukraine's drone army blowing up one after another, showing the wear of years of fighting is starting to have a heavy toll on the Russian army. With Ukraine's drone army not caring if it's a four-wheeler or a supply truck they're destroying, only knowing they will leave one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.